to the Don Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Matar Pilau. It's healthy, it's nutritious, it's wonderful, and it's convenient to make. So the way that this has been cooked will be shown to you right now. Okay, you saw how to make this Matar Pilau, a wonderful, a very convenient dish to make, and you saw it step by step. So do comment below what you thought of this video. Do let us know whether you are going to try this out or whether you try something whenever you've made it in the past, whether it's been similar to this or not. And with that said, do hit the like button. Please hit the like button. It really helps us algorithmically. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Share this content to as many people as possible. Hit the notification bell icon. Very important that you hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases, so that when our video comes out, whenever our videos come out each day, a fresh video comes out, you are informed of it so you can quickly go and watch it. Please do support this channel. It really means so much to us. It really does. Please engage with our channel. Please hit the like button. Please comment. Please share. And with that said, catch you in the next one.